Hello students, today we will start lesson 8, Goodbye to the Moon, Monica Hughes. Okay, so the author is Monica Hughes. Monica Hughes was a Canadian author who is specially known for her books on science fiction. So this is about the science fiction. She also wrote adventure and historical novels. The text Goodbye to the Moon is an adaptation from one of her popular works of science fiction. So, from the introductory part, we came to know that the story or the text is about science fiction. I hope you all have know a little bit about science fiction. Time Machine is a popular novel based on science fiction. So today we will read a story about science fiction. Now open page number 79 and read the story. I sat in the dark view room of the space station. I looked out at the earth. It was somewhat familiar to me. There was a small photograph of the blue planet in our drawing room. So, in this story, in the first para, we came to learn that the speaker is saying about something, the space station. So, the speaker is sitting in the view room of the space station and he looked out the earth. It seems that the earth was very familiar to him. There was a small photograph of the blue planet in our drawing room. So, there is also a photograph and the speaker can also see the earth from the drawing room. I, Kepler. So, who is the speaker? I, Kepler Masterman, was born on the moon 15 years back. Okay, so the speaker is 15 years old boy whose name is Kepler Masterman. My mother had been dead 5 years ago. She had told me stories about Earth, that excitingly unknown place. So his mother is no more and she used to tell him stories about Earth. My father is the governor of the moon. He was going on an expedition to the earth. And where was I accompanying him on my first ever journey to the earth? So, his father was the governor of the moon and recently he had been coming to an expedition to the earth and Kepler was accompanying his father. I looked down at earth. It seemed so close to me that I felt I could touch it. So from the view room of the space station, it seems to Kepler that he could touch our earth. We had to wait for another 15 minutes before our journey started. So they are waiting in the view room. Feeling restless, I left the viewing room and glided down the long passage to the center of the space station. So, glided means moved away smoothly. Okay. So, feeling restless, that means he cannot take it anymore. He was something in tension, something in excitement. So, he was feeling restless and he left the view room and glided down the long passage to the center of the space station. So, he left the place where he was sitting. I could see my father there surrounded by reporters. So, there are reporters who had come there to take interview of his father. I came back to the view room which was empty. Then he came back to the view room and there was nobody. I looked out into space. My moon, my home, appeared very small now. So they that means his birthplace moon now appeared very small. At home, the kids would be getting ready for the party. So he was thinking that the kids would be getting ready for the party. There's always been a party at sunrise. The sun rose only 12 or 13 times a year, so it was something special for us. The sunlight crept slowly across the surface of the moon until finally night was gone. So Kepler was telling about the situation of the moon. The children were getting ready for the party as their appearing moon. There's always been a party at sunrise because the sun rose only 12 or 13 times a year. So this was special for the inhabitant of the moon. The sunlight crept slowly across the surface of the moon until finally night was gone. So night was gone and the sunlight came there. Okay. Now suddenly the door opened behind me. I could hear excited voices. The fairy from Earth must have arrived. So a fairy from Earth. Fairy means carrier. Okay. From the Earth must have arrived. It carried passengers from the Earth ready to go for the moon safari. So the fairy carried the passengers who were willing to go for the moon safari. People eager to look around the moon. So the people are anxious or eager or keen to look around the moon. And we were going to the Earth instead. I slipped out of the room to the central lobby. Father was standing there. There were the last minute goodbyes. So everyone was biting goodbye to them.